Guys, nako'y ka-date nga rin sa B-Hotel. Ah! Giligid, gano'n.
But with this being our very first Christmas lighting ceremony, we'd like to focus on the Filipino Christmas, which is first and foremost about family.
Our God-given talent. So, sit back and relax as we render you our simple but prepared presentation. Thank you and God bless you.
Resort. So, tingnan nyo ang cute-cute ng mga bata, guys. Tingnan nyo sila. Ay, budget ko na naman! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, everyone!
Grabe, sama-sama damay-damayan na to, guys. Kanina nasa event kami, and then ngayon, nasa event na naman kami. And I don't know, bukas.
Yeah, tomorrow I'll see you guys again for another event. Definitely with Psycasmo.
Hopefully, bro. Wala na lipstick, guys. Ah, pangit ko na. Ay, ang ganda ng lighting dito, ah. Oh, wow. Yan. Cheers, guys!
Cheers!
Cheers for... Agay, cheers.
A Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year.
Yes.
Or should I say Happy Holidays to everyone.
Found new friends, guys.
Hi,
Follow
guys.
them. Ano yung Instagram mo, guys?
Your Buddy Clint.
And the YouTube channel.
And also please subscribe on my channels. It's Your Buddy Clint.
Yeah, follow him, guys. Subscribe kayo, ah. Wala, guys. Nice kayo lang Christmas tree sa B Resort, guys. Tingnan nyo. Grabe. Hindi lagi mo focus niya, best. Mas gapa ko. Nangatawa sila. Malingaw kay ko na ko. Muna siya. Kasayaw daw to, B. Katunga na. Isa to, example, daw. Power. Ay, Ian pala. Yes. Iyaming i-tour, guys.
Each floor landing, sige, ito siyang suruin lang kay Lain Time.
Ay, siya, guys. Oh, may palamp si Mayora. Ito daw yung standard room nila. Yeah.
The standard and the premium rooms have two queen-size beds. So wala mi nga usara ka tao. Yes, queen-size na siya. The only room that has one bed is the PWD. One queen-size bed.
How much would it cost for one room?
This one, our published rate is 8,000. But now and then we have promos. We have one until March next year.
The mirror, na-flare na imprinted siya.
And the only difference
Laisyo ka di.
So now I really like this new design. I like the new design.
Shower room. Shower room, bathroom pala. Shower, bathroom, and everything.
Connecting.
Wow, social. Hindi na may squat. Squat! Let there be light, and there was light.
First met lower, but
Hotel. B Hotel. B Hotel. Guys, nako'y ka-date nga rin sa B Hotel. Ah! Ang ganda!
Diba?
Matug na lang ko diri no, pero mauli pa ko gang oy. Sorry. Inalin lang gid ni mag-ana magligid-ligid, gano'n.
YouTubers that they're really doing everything just for them to get number of views.
Yes.
Yeah, like
Wow.
killing
Censored.
themselves, putting themselves in a porn industry. Yeah,
No?
I forgot the title of that.
Grabe ka ha.
Remember,
Sige.
kung nagpakita ko movie sa Pinoy na po, ilang isuon,
Hala.
tabang ko na sila mga beggars sa paghuman kay ila pang mga word twist.
Hala.
Isuon na para mo viral lang. Wato nila.
Hala.
Butang-butang nga lang twist para ma-viral lang.
Kawaton ko ni ha, kawaton ko ni. Basta ako'y makawat. Mangawat ko guys. Mga to na misbus guys.
Hello!
Yes, I'm going to place the link all of their social media sa description box and YouTube channel.
Yay! Please subscribe!
Subscribe daw, subscribe!
Marshall,
For
follow me
travel
Instagram.
Yes.
Ano siya ang ganahan yan?
Hala ka nice!
Alice in
Tingnan nyo
Wonderland.
guys.
Wow.
Ang ganda.
Ito. Oh my.
Ang taong nahulog sa elevator pa.
Ang tawag na pizza.
Ang taong napit. Wow, super nice. Nice kayo. Dagan na ba? Sige, mag-picture na to. Uy. Ang ganda naman ng ano nila guys. Tingnan nyo. I don't know if makikita nyo. Yun, mga ceiling oh. Ang ganda. Ang ganda no? Guys, it's my first time visiting Bay Resort. Ang ganda dito.
Because it's newly renovated and they just reopened it last week.
Yes, ikaw na mag-vlog, Bes. Ikaw na.
Sorry kay Day. Bisaya kay ko. Pero mag-English lang ko kay kasagaran sa akong followers sa Instagram, mga afam kunuhay. So
Yeah,
there.
me
I
too.
just have to
I used English language in my vlog. Kunwari.
born and raised in Cebu.
Yeah.
Taga Cebu gigo.
Yes. We're from Cebu. This is their function hall. Ang laki.
This is one of the function rooms, but this is for me, the prettiest cake. Na may
Overlooking.
This is 80 to 100. 100 medyo po.
Guys, nako'y magic nga ipakita ninyo. Oh. Ignorante.
Yung gown, Day.
Ang gown. Inahinay akong gown niya. Sa ba? Arte kayo. Guys, meron mga afang.
It's a lounge.
Wow. Ganahan ko sa akin ng lights. Follow lights. Muna yung 3 AM challenge.
Sayang lang because it rains.
Ay, ngit siya, Bes. Guys, kabaw ba mo na ako'y nakita na akong bulang kristal na diri tanawa. Kabaw mo. What? Igutom na ka dong? Are you hungry, Pego pa? Oh. Nega, Pego lang. Hanggang siya na. Pego kayo. Chincha.
Kincha?
Yeah, chincha. Very hungry. Mohon Punto niya. Japanese or Korean events. Guys, so in every event, meron talagang shibugan time. So let's dig in. Kain na tayo.
Best time.
Yes, best time of the year.
Best time of the event.
Yes.
Best part. Lami, ilang chicken.
Lami siyang chikina. Madedyo ko eh. Sorry guys. Usapang YouTube guys.
Lami lang mga.
Dali lang mga kapram.
La, malinta lagi mo.
Yes.
Gang, may pamingo float sila best.
Mango float, mango float, mango float.
Mango halak ka. Mango float, mango float, mango float. Hindi, mango shake. Squaw best.
Squaw, hindi.
Laisyo ka di. Daga na kay kung pagkaon sila ka.
Lifestyle na lang.
Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Nag-rain siya yung camera ko. So we're going to go home na. Thank you View Resort for having us. We really appreciate it. So at saka na mukha ko guys. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you do like, share, and subscribe to this video. And please click the notification bell. Babush! Bye-bye! Saranghe! Yeah! Bye-bye!
Bye!
Boo!